Do Gmail pop-up notifications often distract you at the most inconvenient moments? Don't worry. There's an easy way to disable them and enjoy uninterrupted use of your phone. In this tutorial, I'll show you the steps to completely turn off these notifications. Get ready to take back control of your notifications. Let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is find the Gmail app on your phone and open it. Once you're in Gmail on the home screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them or simply swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right to open the Options menu. In the menu that appears, scroll down a bit, find the Option settings and tap on it. If you have multiple accounts, select the one for which you want to disable pop-up notifications. Once you've selected the account, you'll see several options for configuring your account. Scroll down and look for the option Manage Notifications, then tap on it to open. Now that you're on the notification settings page, you'll see several options. Look for the one called Show as Pop-up, and then tap the switch next to it to turn it off. Once you've done this, Gmail pop-up notifications will no longer appear on your screen. This way, you'll reduce distractions and allow yourself to focus better on what you're doing. If you decide to enable this option again in the future, simply repeat these steps and tap the switch to activate it again. And that's all for this video, friends. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.